Okay, let's dive into why some owners sell the HDB and then upgrade to a private or landed property. Okay, this is basically part one of it lah. Okay, why is a very simple number game. Can I ask you a question? Is it better to have a 500,000 or 1.5 million at the age of retirement? Okay, definitely everyone will agree 1.5 million is better and more comfortable, but how do we achieve it? Because for property loan itself, okay, buyer will need to fully pay the property by 65 years old or up to maximum 25 years old loan tenure. So to say, if you own a property which is 500,000 or 1.5 million, the timeline to fully pay a property is the same. But now the biggest concern will always be the monthly installment. Okay, so for property segment, buyer will need to leverage on their each income and OPM, which we call it other people's money. Okay, or in other words, we call it the loan. Okay, so the younger the buyer, the loan amount granted will definitely be higher. Loan tenure will be longer, as younger buyer has lesser risk on lifespan. Okay, so let's put an example to it. Okay, a private property which is 1.5 million, which is 75% loan at 3% interest. As the age of 50 years old, monthly installment will come up to about 7,769 for 15 years loan tenure. Okay, for age 30 years old, the monthly installment which is about 5,334 for 25 years loan tenure. So can I ask you a question? Which monthly installment is more comfortable when you get older? Means at the age of 60 years old, when you're still working, do you want to pay 7,000 over for installment, or do you wish to pay 5,000 over for installment? Okay, so to cash out for retirement, can I ask you this question? Is it wise to sell a 500,000 property and then downgrade to a 350,000 property, which cash flow of 150? Or is it better to have a 1.5 million property, you cash out, you buy a 500,000 property, and you have a 1 million on hand for retirement? Okay, so this is another way what we're talking about. This is forced saving for retirement using property value.